guys, Sam back, and today we are going to do another book of Wimpy Kid which I have got it recently. Now I'm going to unbox this. So it's not a very big unboxing though. I just have to remove this unboxed. So I will come back after reading this. Finished this book of reading. Now it's very hilarious. Every book of Jeff Kinney is always hilarious. So he's also one of the best-selling children's authors ever. And writing style, very much awesome. And the style in which thinking he did was awesome. And he is the best. Jeff Kinney is the best. Nobody is very much nice than Jeff Kinney. And this Greg is also doing another experiences, like he was thinking that what we look in afterlife and how do we do things in afterlife. Do we fly? Do we have wings? And what do we wear in the dress? What do we wear the dresses in afterlife? This was very much keen for him to find out. So at this day, not this date one particularly, when he was doing his homework, his mother called everybody that she told that the Aunt Reba of Greg has passed away. Greg was not thinking that who is Aunt Reba because there are so many aunts for him, but that time mom reminded him that Aunt Reba is the one who would send angry letters if he didn't send thank you note for Christmas. So they went to their funeral, and when he went to the funeral that time, after the end, Greg thought that he could see some people who he knew because Aunt Reba has some sisters who are still alive, but he didn't see anybody. That was some weird. Mom see pretty weird too, and when they went, they saw that they have went to the wrong one, and when they went to the Aunt Reba's funeral, they saw that the ceremony was already over and everybody were leaving. And that time, he thought that Aunt Reba would make a pretty good chuckle over there. It's just awesome after unboxing and reading this book. Hardcover again. It is very much awesome, and my favorite part in this book is that when Roderick takes the ladder from the garage and holds it for Greg to go up and clean the gutter. But at the fourth time when he goes, that time Roderick would go to the toilet, so nobody was holding the ladder, and he was very much slippery. But when he tried to go to the roof, the ladder was fallen down with a loud crack. At that time, he removed most of his dresses so that he couldn't be dehydrated. So he saw that there was a window open of his mom and dad's bathroom. So when he went there, he got his leg stuck, and that time he got to know that where his mom was there from a long time. This is then amazing. And when Aunt Reba's funeral was over, they got to know that the money she left was for her family, and it included them. And Mom thought that we should do this for her home improvements, but every other people have other the ideas of themselves. They just wanted a room. Dad wanted a Civil War figurines, which were very much costly, and Manny wanted the chocolate buddy thing for some reason, and Godric wanted a bus instead of his loaded diaper van. So, but they made a house preparations when the construction started, but after that time, every neighbor in that neighborhood got got a problem with them because they were doing much noise and they couldn't do anything. But that time, what happened? A neighbor from another street got also a problem that for some reason that her cat has stepped into a nail of their yard, and that was really awkward because they have to broke all the construction they have done, and they decided to buy a book. I mean, the buy a home, and they bought. And while they were trying to party in the last day, they just thought that there should be a big party. And after that party, and the next day it was Sunday, and they thought that still there's a week. But when the constructors came, then said that their house had to sold it today. Then they made into a very much big chaos. So this was very big chaos though. The water tub in the basement was taken up by the crane, and when the garbage collector came, he saw the furnitures and he kept it into the garbage collection. And that time when Greg made some signs for the garbage collector to go away, he didn't. And when the crane operator saw that Greg was making some signs, he thought that it was for him to come back. And that was the end of the living room couch. And not only that, the chimney was always also destroyed, and the center of the house was collapsed. So this was the ending of this book. I'll suggest you this book because I just want you all to take the joy which I had when reading and opening and unboxing this book. So very much awesome. If I just had it on my hand, I'll just start reading it. So mostly I just make it apart from me, because even as studying, I just take it, read it. More than I have read it, don't know, so many guys. So I'm very much keen to find out when the deep end book, which is the ending book of Vampire Kids series, going to release. And I sure think that how is Jeff Kinney going to manage to release that book, because during this pandemic corona, I don't think that they could release any books, because this book was released on 2019 and I got it on 2020. I suggest you this book. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you could get the notifications of my new updates. Until then, goodbye.